Mustard potato rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the mustard recipes and one of the most different of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes. Today we are going to make mustard potato rice. The ingredients are 100 grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces, around 25 grams of fenugreek leaves, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic, 1 spoon of mustard paste, 1 spoon of mixture of spices of garam masala, salt to taste, 1 red chili, 10 to 12 shallots. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Now put in the shallots. Let the shallots get heated in oil. Until the shallots lose their pinkish color. Keep on sauteing. Put in the ginger, salt, and mix the ginger with the rest of the mixture. Put in the garlic. Salt, ginger and garlic thoroughly. fenugreek leaf, salt, saute thoroughly. Now put in the salt and mix mustard paste thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Now put in the potato paste. Thoroughly salt and mix. Pour in 25 minutes water. Mix and salt until the water evaporates. Thoroughly mix. Now put in the mixture of spices and the salt and the red chili. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Now pour in 150 ml of water. Mix and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let the mixture cook for 5 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the mustard potato rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mustard potato rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mustard recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.